Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on flight changes in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Notifications section. And if you want to enable notifications on flight changes, just click on the black button next to it. And once it turns green, it means that the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.